I'm going to show you how to set up and start using Shopify to create your online store for free. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So to start using Shopify for free, you will need to go to this link right here. I will leave it at the description below. This is a special link with an offer that will let you use Shopify for free for 3 days. And after that, you only need to pay €1 per month for the next 3 months. So basically, by using this special link with this offer, you will have Shopify almost for free for the next 3 months. So let's put our email right here to start with the free offer. And also remember that you can always cancel this at any time. So after that, we are going to set a password. And now if you want, you can fill in your credit card information, or you can also use PayPal if you want to. This will be if you want to enjoy the €1 per month for the next 3 months offer, but you can skip this step if you want to, because let's say you only want the free trial, then you can skip this, or you can do this to enjoy the offer later. So in my case, I'm going to put in my credit card information. And after that, as you can see, we can enjoy any plan we want for just €1 for the next 3 months. So it doesn't matter if you want to try the cheapest plan, or if you want to try the most expensive one, which is the advanced one. This is almost €400 normally per month, but for this special offer, you will get it for just €1 for the next 3 months. So I think this is a very good offer. I'm personally going to try this advanced subscription, because if I don't want it anymore, I can just cancel it at any time and I won't get billed. So let's just continue. Now, if you want, you can put in more information about your store to customize it a little bit, but you can skip this and customize it later. So that's what I'm going to do. So that's it. Now, after a few seconds, we got our Shopify store ready. We only need to set it up, of course, but that's the method you need to follow if you want to enjoy Shopify for free, or how you can also enjoy Shopify for just €3. Remember that you can cancel this at any time, so you won't get billed, and that you can choose any subscription. I will leave the link with this special offer on the description below, so make sure to use it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.